This is a response video to my last video where I go over this other dude's video of how he made 100,000 with Roblox commissions. And so he responded in the comments on my last video, and he had some stuff to say like I wasn't making any points, that I'm just hating on him. Um and that I was deleting comments, but I only deleted one comment, and it was because it was directing people to another video that I am not at all associated with. And so I just didn't want that for people that are watching my content. I don't want to lead them down weird rabbit holes or strange rabbit holes and stuff like that. So, yeah. Anyways, though, this is going to be a quick video just going over the points that I was making in that video. And this is the first one right here.
You already add later down the line, but you're gonna basically be following all of this. Now at this stage, you already add, drum roll please, around $5,000 to $10,000 per month.
And then let me show you this right here. So this is what you just saw is the main point of his video. He's selling a university, okay? He's selling teachings, all right? And you can't do that um while promising that people are going to be making a certain amount of money. So it's just the fact that you're promising that people are going to be making a certain amount of money, that's what makes it a scam. And I think that it can go beyond just like simple situations of somebody took your course and then decided to sue you because of that. Uh, I don't think I fairly certain scams are illegal, so I don't think that this should be up at all. And I think he really should take this video down. But it's just that one part right there, and then I think there are a few other parts where he is promising certain amounts of money throughout the video. That was just the what I think was the most blatant one, the most blatant promise. I mean, it's clear as day that that's what he's doing. So that's my main point, is that it's just a legitimate scam. So that was just the main one. Now, another point was just him being disingenuous. I don't like the insane hype. There's so much crazy hype. I mean, at one point in the video, he even talks about making 100,000 to $100 million a month. Just crazy hype, right? Without any um, realistic expectations behind it. He's not letting people know of the obstacles you're going to face if you want to pursue this. He's not letting people know that there really aren't very many opportunities. And so another thing he called out was me talking about luck. And that is one of the reasons why I was talking about luck, is because the opportunities are very low. If you get a opportunity at all, let alone a very good one and a high rewarding one, count yourself lucky, because there's not very many opportunities in this space, and that's just what it is. Okay. um Another point I had was the videos all over the place. He's not really giving you a clear path of what to do and how to earn. He's just kind of throwing a bunch of stuff at you, like freelance or actually doing commissions, and then creating a website, and then do drop shipping, and then make content and all this other stuff. And it's just a ton of stuff, and there's so many components that go into each and every one of the things that he's talking about. Okay, so that's also disingenuous, and it's just also chaotic. I can see a lot of people hopping on this video, be super hyped up because of all the buzzwords and all the money numbers he's throwing out there, um and then trying to do what he's saying and just wasting a ton of their time and being let down. And that's why scams are illegal, because you can't sit there and promise something that's not a for sure thing. Okay, so that was the main that was the main reason why I made that video, and those were all the points, or most of the points in that video. Just kind of wanted to attack them, each one in a very quick way. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.